To have you a part of the show tonight. We are discussing medical devices and dangerous drugs. So if you're at home and you've been on a medication and there's some aftermath and you have a question about it, give us a call tonight. Again, we've got Ken Riley. He is representing his law firm of Farris, Riley and Pitt, and hopefully maybe a familiar face to folks. He's been on a good bit of time now.
Yeah, well, Nate VanDerVeer, he's also with our firm, a partner with us. And, you know, we've done this show a couple of times recently because we've had such a response, and so many people have so many questions about all the commercials they see on TV. You know, there's a dangerous drug or there's a faulty medical device out there. So people want to know, okay, we see all these commercials. Are these commercials local lawyers, or are they lawyers from, you know, Texas or Las Vegas or something like that? So we want to talk about those issues for a minute. You know, people want to know if these are class action lawsuits or if they're individual lawsuits. So we want to answer those questions for folks. We want to answer the question that we get all the time: can I really get compensated for this? Yeah. So anyway, Nate, I talked a lot, but that was just setting you up because you're the expert at all this.
Ken, I'm very used to it, but thank you. As always, thanks, Tiffany, for having me on. Look forward to answering the questions of people of the great state of Alabama. This is definitely within my wheelhouse.
Yeah.
It's what I
was going to say, this is what you do day in and day out, right?
That's right, yeah. So looking forward to answering a lot of calls. We get a lot of calls, like Ken said.
Well, first, hit that one that he was talking about, because everybody, if you watch any amount of TV, you come across some sort of commercial advertising for a faulty drug or medical device. Or so what is your response when folks here in Birmingham, Alabama area see those on television?
Well, you know, let me digress a little bit, because the drug and device makers also advertise for their products in our communities. But yeah, we get a lot of out-of-state lawyers who are advertising for anybody who's been injured by xarelto or an IVC filter, or you've probably seen a lot of the hernia mesh ads right now. And typically those lawyers are not here. You know, sometimes they are. I have not seen many that are. And then oftentimes that lawyer ends up associating other counsel or handling the case themselves from out of state, which is okay. But you know, we're here too, and handling cases right here in Alabama.
Yeah, and there are a lot of really good lawyers around this area. I mean, in Birmingham, really good lawyers who are as good or better than the lawyers out there in the rest of the country. That all you got to do is just look and try, and you can have a local lawyer here, and you can actually walk in their office and talk with somebody in their law firm. So there's just a lot of lawyer talent here in the state of Alabama, and I just hate for people to not understand that and appreciate that, and then, you know, call somebody from out of state for no apparent reason.
Sure, just because they see it on the TV.
That's right.